What if your daily habits are quietly keeping you broke?
It's not always how much you earn. It's how you manage your money. No budget means your money controls you, not the other way around. Looking rich is easy. Becoming rich takes discipline. Small daily purchases become big yearly losses.
Debt grows faster when you only pay the minimum.
Save first. Spend what's left, not the other way around.
The more you learn about money, the better decisions you can make.
If it sounds too good to be true, be careful.
Unexpected expenses happen. That's why emergency savings matter. A higher income doesn't help if your spending grows even faster. Time is one of the most powerful tools in building wealth.
Small habits repeated every day can change your financial future.
Subscribe for practical money tips that can help you make smarter financial decisions.